No clutch upshifting. Let me quit before I break something. And I have to tell him I wasn't doing nothing crazy. I was putting around the damn mall parking lot, and then the shit just went like blah blah blah. First few rides of Aprilia RS457. The exhaust, start up, cold start. Let that warm up a little bit. I'll put the rest of my gear on. And hopefully I don't lose no gear. Burp test. Still running cold start. Of course these blinkers is jiggling, bro. I gotta get rid of those ASAP. Like super jiggly. This is my Osmo Pocket 3 I'm shooting on. Hopefully I don't lose my Pocket 3. So I'll be upset. This joint just constantly like. Alright. Just really gonna go like around the block. I'm gonna come back and probably take all this off because I don't really want to lose my Osmo. Feels pretty good outside right now. I'm glad that opens. That's great. Alright, let's see. Alright. I'm doing about 30, but it really feels fast as hell. The Tesla on my ass. Do a little quick spin around the blocky. Now we're in rain, now we're in sport. Made me hit my damn gimbal on some dumb shit. There's a lot more throttle response than in Eco. Let's see. There's definitely less slop in that. Maybe I'm tripping. But there's definitely more engine braking. Definitely more engine braking. Yeah, there's what. Look at the engine braking. Okay, look, I'm doing 6 miles an hour, right? Little throttle. It's like bucking me off. Okay, I'll put in equal, little throttle. It's like there's way more engine braking, and it's a little bit more snappy, like a little bit more snappy. Hear that? I'm gonna go the other way now a couple times. through times. Like lefts, making lefts is easier, I think, for most people than making rights. So these entering, the ones who enter in here have right of way. They don't have a stop. So you seen that Range Rover earlier, stop. They were heating their right of way. That's why I didn't let them. That's why I didn't go, because it's they have right of way. So if there's any cars behind them, which there were, they might not be paying attention that there's a car just decided to not stop. I mean, decided to stop. Oh my goodness, I just pulled that clutch. I don't know if you can see it, but with one freaking finger all the way up here. I'm doing 25 around this bend. It's nice and smooth. It's gonna get a little tighter. I don't even know what time it is. It's 2:55. I don't know what time I left, but yeah, man, I'm just chilling, getting to know the bike. I'll probably see about maybe grabbing a Gatorade or something on the way home. But yeah, in sport mode on the 457. Corners are terrifying, I'll tell you that. Going around corners is terrifying. The rear brake is pretty squishy. The front brakes are good now, but when you first start up, the front brake is squishy. It has to like heat up. Downshift a little too crazy right there, but the next one was smooth as butter. Yeah, like I just gotta keep reminding myself to look farther ahead. Like, look farther ahead. We're doing full stops, my boy. We're doing full stops. This bike really been babied the whole time I had it, which is what you're supposed to do. Nice braking period. Oh, another hill. Okay, let me do this hill start. What's up, my boy? This is my first loop on this way around. It felt way longer. I'm putting a lot of weight. I feel like I might be on my wrists. I wonder if my mic is still there. I got no idea. Yeah, I should probably check that. Yeah, we're getting our lean on. Okay. Yeah, these uphill starts. I don't know why this guy's in 2 lanes. This lane is bigger than the other one. People be crazy. I feel like I could see her looking me dead in the eye, and she was still finna go. I don't like the spot that she got me in. Yeah, look, you see? Why you either didn't slow up or like, you know what I mean? Like, why you didn't get behind me in the first place? Like, why is she riding, tripping me out? Got the cops right here. It's crazy. Uphill starts is tough, just like in a car. You got to remember, you got to put the brake on. Front brake, rear brake, don't matter. Rear brake seem to be easier. I don't need to be in third. Rear brake seem to be easier, obviously, because you need to also be giving it throttle at the same time. I feel like I am not paying attention. I'm gonna go back around that long sweeping corner again. In this lane. In this lane. Up that hill. It probably feel like I'm leaning that much, but I'm probably not leaning that much. That was good. That felt smooth. I almost stalled it. It's funny because I was giving it throttle too. I'm gonna just wait for this Durango. I'll need some water. What is that? It sounds terrible. That's Honda activities. Oh shit! I just upshifted to the fourth without the clutch. No clutch upshifting. Let me quit before I break something. And I have to tell him I wasn't doing nothing crazy. I was putting around the damn mall parking lot, and then the shit just was like, blah, blah, blah. That's crazy. It went to neutral from second, right? But I can't never get this mug from neutral from first. Got a neutral out of him. Bro, I love this bike. Whew. All right. I'm probably finna take this helmet off. See my wife, see if she talking about something. Ooh. Yes, sirski. I gotta do something about those blinkers though. Well, that was my first time riding around here. My Aprilia RS 457. I'll see y'all on the next one. Stay tuned for some updates. I don't got no mods coming. You feel me?